Hey you guys, I'm Dini and I'm so excited to be partnering with Tastemade and Starbucks on a summer recipe book, Coffee Dawn to Dusk. So I contributed a few recipes to this book, but the one I'm going to show you to make today is a brewski float, and I think it's going to be a summer staple in your home. Let's make it. We're going to brew our coffee first, and now I chose the Caffè Verona blend because it has these rich cocoa notes in it, which I absolutely love, and it pairs beautifully with a chocolate stout. So this is a really, really great blend to use for this drink. So I'm just gonna close my coffee maker up, and we're gonna let this do its thing. It's gonna start dripping the coffee, and we want this to be nice and chilled. So once it brews, we're gonna get it in the fridge, get it nice, icy and cold, and then we'll put the rest of the drink together. We all know Starbucks started in Seattle, but this specific blend really was inspired by the city of Verona in Italy. It has such great flavor, and you're gonna love it in this drink. Let's get it in the fridge. So our coffee is nice and chilled, so we're gonna start building our drink. So we're starting with a chocolate stout. So we're just gonna fill this up about halfway or so. And what I love about this is it has that fluffiness to it, that effervescence. And this drink was really inspired by this little place in St. Louis where I grew up. We used to always go to this little custard shop, and I would always get a vanilla custard float. And last summer I had some friends over in the backyard. We were just having a really good time, having some drinks, and I was like, we need something with our beer. We can't just have plain beer. I want something refreshing and cooling. It was a really hot day. So I came inside, I added some nice refreshing coffee to the beer, and then I topped it with vanilla ice cream. Adding the ice cream to this just gives it that creaminess. It just brings it all home. It's rich, and you're gonna see it all get foamy and so good. My mouth is watering. Let's taste this. This is just my childhood in a glass, except there's beer. Cheers. Those little bits of the ice cream that you get through your straw, it's just like little hints of sweetness, but it's still super strong from the beer and from the coffee. It's beautiful, and I could sip this all summer long. I'm so excited for you guys to try this 3-ingredient recipe, and to get lots more, head to starbucks.com/summer offer and get your book. Cheers.